Thinking about importing a car into the USA? It's a big decision, and the costs and regulations can get confusing. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about how much it costs to import a car into the United States, what the process looks like, and important legal tips to keep you compliant. Let's dive in. First up, the cost. On average, importing a car into the US costs between $2,000 and $2,500. This usually covers basic import fees, shipping, and customs duties. But here's the catch. If your car needs to meet EPA emissions or safety standards, engine testing and modifications can add up to $10,000 or more. So, plan ahead and budget for that. Most vehicles arrive by ocean freight, either in containers or by roll-on, roll-off ships. Container shipping is safer, especially for classic or high-value cars, but it's typically more expensive. Now, let's talk regulations. Your car must comply with these US laws. This means your vehicle must meet strict safety and emission standards. Newer cars usually need modifications or certifications before they can enter the US. Here's what you'll need. Working with an experienced import-export agent or legal expert is highly recommended. They'll help you navigate the complex paperwork, arrange shipping, and avoid costly mistakes or delays. If you're importing from Canada, thanks to the USMCA agreement, vehicles 30 years or older are exempt from many standards. But newer cars still need full compliance. And if you're importing a classic car, good news, most are exempt from emissions testing. But you'll still want secure container shipping to protect your investment. Remember, some countries are prohibited for vehicle imports, like Iran, Cuba, and North Korea, due to US Treasury regulations. Always check before you start. Ready to import your vehicle? Contact a reliable car shipping company, get your paperwork in order, and budget for compliance costs. For more details, check the links in the description below. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more auto import tips, and leave your questions in the comments. Safe shipping!